All of our motors are powered by Somfy. Somfy is a wireless control system. We have the 5-channel remote, the wall remote. We also have the 16-channel remote, and they have just come out with an app as well. So it requires an interface that you plug into your patio. We program this interface that works with your Wi-Fi. And then at the touch of a button, you can control the screens on your phone. This is the most common remote that we have. Typically, most people have anywhere between 2 to 4 screens on a patio. It's super easy to use. It's an up-down button. The My button is the stop button. And the channels are lit up on the bottom. So when you press this button, this is channel number 1, channel number 2, channel number 3, channel number 4, and typically we put all screens on channel number 5. This is a 16-channel remote. You can actually label which screens they are. So for instance, channel number 1 is the front screen. Channel number 2 is our recess screen. Channel number 3 is our cable guide. Channel number 4 is our surface mount. Channel number 5 is our vinyl. It goes all the way up to 16 channels. And again, it's the same as up and down. The My button is the stop button. These are Somfy remotes, and these are completely wireless.